Have you ever seen a massive combine harvester with a table width of 18 square meters? Introducing the new Holland CR11, the world's largest and most advanced combine harvester. Unveiled in November 2023. Before we explore the impressive technical features of this machine, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. This incredible harvester is equipped with a 20,000-liter grain tank, a header length ranging from 12 to 18 meters, and a powerful 775 horsepower engine. With an unloading capacity of 210 liters per second, it can empty its entire tank in just 80 seconds. Designed to maximize efficiency and minimize costs, this giant is perfect for working on vast agricultural lands. Would you like to operate this combine harvester in your fields? Let us know in the comments.